Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a weekly Forex forecast 25th March 2024 till 29th March 2024. I hope you must have made good profits last week. There are several weeks which I call the perfect weeks, in which every instrument and every level is followed very nicely by the price and respected by the price. So the week that ended yesterday, it was a week of that kind, which I call a very perfect week. So again, thank you so much for your kind feedback, and thank you so much for letting me know that you guys are making good profits from my analysis. Though I don't recommend trading these on real charts, but everyone is the owner of their own decisions. So today I want to discuss this euro dollar and these other instruments, and I will be trying to give you again some good levels so that you can trade, you can make money, and then you can pray for me. So this is a very holy month of Ramadan for me as well. I keep all of you in my prayers, and I expect the same from all of you. So let's jump into the charts and let's see what the next week is going to bring us, and what are my expectations from the market. So I will be discussing that. Plus in this video I also will be trying to, just like in every video, I try to include one topic so that those beginners who are watching me for the first time, or those beginners who have problems, so that they can learn at least something, so that I tell you something which will be very useful for all of you if followed correctly. Euro US dollar in front of me. This chart is right here, and last week what I said was, like, this is the weekly time frame, and what I said is that market is going to drop, and there was a very obvious reason why I said it is going to drop. That was very simple, and if we see this impulsive wave on a weekly, you can clearly see we have got a breakout from a 618 retracement and a break in. And last week the market gave us this thing. So what I said is that if the market go back up, try to take a sell trade, and result is right here in front of us. Now these sellers, stay with me. If you took a sell from there and you are still holding the position, there is also something that I have to discuss in the euro US dollar. But let's first have a look at these other pairs. The dollar index, if you see, oops, some previous drawings. So dollar index, if you see, last week I said it's going straight up, and it did. Similarly, gold US dollar dropped very nicely right here. Let me delete the drawings from here as well. It dropped very nice, and it was also a fantastic week. Though this week I will be explaining it, why this week, and what was the reason. 22.52 was the level market retested as per my expectations. Then the dollar yen, obviously it is at a historical resistance level, but the chances are it may be broken very soon, keeping in mind the dollar index situation. So I will be discussing and analyzing this dollar yen as well for all of you. And obviously pound dollar and these other pairs, this was also a very nice and fantastic sell trade. So those of you who took it, congratulations. There was one weekly trade which was a buy towards 1.28000. So overall, if I sum up everything, it was a very fantastic week of this year. And if I say this was the first week of the year, which was a very fantastic one, and we have seen moves in our direction, but in other weeks what happens is the levels are respected, but I don't see any volume. In this previous week, I have seen and noticed a very huge volume being traded on these instruments. Okay, so let's have a look at the dollar index first of all. And on the dollar index, I'm following this all in front of you in the weekly forecast videos. And this is the dollar index. I just want to quickly show you that how I analyze a market. Last week I said it's going up, and it did. First of all, I would like to see the monthly time frame. The monthly candle is not yet closed, but the previous was bullish. So first of all, I have to see the weekly time frame and find out if there is any sort of trend line or something. Well, yes, definitely there is a very nice and fantastic trend line, but there is one thing, and I want to include that, and that is, this is now a complete impulsive wave for me, and this is going to be the level. So the expected trend line will look something like this. So that's why I'm going to delete it, and I am going to mark this level of 108.937. Even I have discussed it last week as well. Plus this story began all the way from right here, and this story ended right here. So when I will be switching to the daily time frame, things will be much easier for us to understand. If we see the daily time frame, and if we see this whole rally, we can clearly identify that market created this sort of bottom and is now going clearly back up. But I will highly recommend every trader to focus on this impulsive wave for now, and in the future this is going to be a very nice impulsive leg for me. Even last week I have discussed it, and if this is an impulsive leg, first of all, just have a look at it. RSI above this, RSI above 80. When it was down near the support, RSI was below 20. So this is a very good sign of an impulsive wave. Now what I can do, and you will also be doing, is you just grab Fibonacci and just have a look at it right here. So we have seen a market bounce back from right here, and this was the situation. So this was the situation, and what was the expectation? There were two buying opportunities, and the two buying opportunities was 51.8% retracement and 61. So if you see, market took a very good retracement level, 61.8% retracement of this impulsive wave. See right here, let me highlight it so that you guys can understand it better. This is a very simple strategy, the one on which I'm trading. And since this is now an impulsive leg, and we clearly have seen this thing right here, a correction, and the market is going back up, what I can do is, there will be a good chance of the market doing this, but this will not be just in the upcoming week. It may take some time. Even last week I said this is the correct pattern that is being traded by the trader in the Wall Street and out there in the globe, and that will be the level right here. So two situations, and I will then sum up the dollar index. The first situation is 104.893 can become a sell zone, but you and I and everyone will need definitely some confirmation zones right here. So if it is confirmed for a sell, that's fine. Otherwise, point D is up there near 106.567, and this is going to happen. So long term is showing us this. What I suggest for the short term is, if you have missed the rally, definitely what I will suggest is, if the market drop, and if it dropped towards 61.8% retracement as a double bottom, I will be adjusting it, because see, market once bounced off from this 61.8% retracement. So if this come back down once again, that will be a very golden opportunity to enter further along. And those traders who have small accounts and who have bigger lot sizes open may leave the markets near 104.893. So my friends, this is the power of my strategy that I have developed in the course of like 9 years. This April it will be like 8-9 years. I guess 8 years will be completed on YouTube right here, and then 2-3 years off screen I traded. So this strategy is playing wonders, but I highly recommend everyone. And right here on my channel, I'm keep teaching and keep mentoring all of you. So this is the situation of the dollar index. Let's see what we get in the upcoming week. Euro, US dollar, let's delete everything and let's find out what is going to happen next. First of all, the first thing first, RSI overbought oversold conditions right here, and then finding an impulsive wave, and this impulsive wave is very simply right here. Though the market is clearly trending up, and even last week what I said is that the market is going to drop towards 61.8% retracement, and right here the week ended. So those of you who booked profits, that's good, congratulations for that. And I also want to show you that why the market dropped from right here, and that is because see, market is 61.8% retracement. If you understand this strategy, you just have to play between two Fibonacci numbers. I will be giving you the algorithm for that, like the manual one, when I will be giving you mentorship. So if you are interested in the mentorship services, this is my WhatsApp number, and 3 months course usually I offer one-on-one on Zoom. This is my WhatsApp number, you can contact me. And before you uh, uh, make your account zero, try to contact me, because every client who contact me either is about to wash his account or already has washed his account and is trying to open a new one. So before that time comes, I highly recommend everyone just contact me, and it will be a good uh, beginning for both of us, like you and I. But if you are not interested in my services and in my strategy, you can contact anyone, and especially every forex trader who is dealing with his real money requires a mentor. And why he requires a mentor? Because if you are dealing with your real money, there will be emotions involved. But if you are working with a mentor, that those emotions, the mentor has no emotions in your equity, so the mentor can always guide you to the good direction of the market, and good things the mentor can teach you and you can learn from. So euro US dollar, if we see 61.8% retracement, a bounce and a TP zone. Now here we have to see, this is a critical zone, remember, because from here there are several opportunities, and most probably what will be occurring is these are the two support zones right here. We first of all need a confirmation right here. These Fibonacci's I'm going to delete so we can get a clean chart. There are now two possibilities, and obviously right here if you see, and right here if you see, so the market drop took a 61.8% retracement, and the market is going to go back up from right here upon confirmation. Remember, no blind trades is advised. This is one situation for the bulls. If you made good profits this year, I highly recommend this trade opportunity is not very bad. You can take this opportunity. I'm hiding this RSI for some time. If you want to be with these bulls, still this is a good zone, but we need some sort of confirmation. And if the market reaches here, this Fibonacci will be violated, everyone will be selling. So most probably 1.07000 the market is dropping to, and right here I'm going to take a buy position towards 1.11000 right here. A very fantastic one. If you can play this on the H4, you can make very awesome profits right here. Now coming on to the price action on the H4, price action is clearly telling us that it's going down, but price action below the daily time frame, these other price actions, most of them are false to me. I don't uh, think they are very nice. So if this stop loss is hit like I created profits from here. All of you know we took buys from here, we exited there, then we took sells from there, we took some more sells from there, we exited there. At this moment I'm completely out of the market, and I will be looking for any bullish opportunity during the week if I get it. Otherwise, those of you who want to keep the sell trades towards 107,566, that is also going to be a fantastic zone, and the story will seem like it will take a retest. So fantastic opportunities. Let's see what we get. Dollar index is done obviously, and this gold US dollar gave a very fantastic sell sign. So what I will be doing is, no doubt it is going to drop, and to which place it can drop? It can drop towards 61.8% retracement. What is so special about this 61.8% retracement right here, and why I will be more likely becoming a bull right here, is that we have got a breakout. Now the market has to come back down toward 207 2.95, and right here we can take a buy position. Now most of you will remember that when price was trading right here, there was an impulsive wave back in October, and back in July, from 3rd July 2022, I became bullish from right here. Maybe I will try to make a recap video for all of you who are watching me for the first time. So market took a good support right here, and there was a good Fibonacci zone right here. One is this one, right, from right here towards there, which is not exactly completed yet, and one is this one. So if we see this one, this is almost completed right here, and this one is now playing. So maybe if the market can take a support right here, it will be completing that zone of 2261. Those of you who made profits from here, please let me know in the comment section, and also do let me know on my WhatsApp number if you made profits from here. I will always be available for all of you. Right here on my WhatsApp number you can contact me, and it will be a very good start. If you have any problem, if you need any suggestion, just give me a message and I will be right there for you. So what else is left? Let me see. Yes, I still have some time, so let's discuss this. Yes, so 2075, I'm waiting for it, and then obviously these two impulsive waves. Now if I delete this Fibonacci, and if I drag Fibonacci from bottom to top, you can clearly see, okay, at this stage it will be like this, but I'm assuming that this is almost completed. Stops above 2261, and the take profit 61.8% retracement will be right here. So these two places, this is the early buying zone, this is a bit more relaxed zone. So, and obviously this is the master support all the way with us from 20th February 2023, a year old situation right here. Dollar yen is a very good at a very good zone right here, and you will know that from 140.992 we took good buy positions long term. Now if we see that on the daily time frame, same pattern, the gold that gold completed, same pattern the market gave us, and it is very simple. It is like very simple. This ABCD pattern is completed, the market dropped, and now this whole is going to be an impulsive wave for me. The market dropped towards right here, 61.8% retracement, and it is now going back up. See how simple it is. If I show you what's so difficult in this, you just need to sit in front of the screen and you have to do this. So see, 61.8% retracement, market bounce off, confirmation on the RSI. Let's see RSI here, just have a look at it, just have a look at it. Some divergence right here, price stopped at the previous zone. This gave us an oversold condition, a very good sign for bullish opportunity, and that's why it is bullish. So I still see some more bulls will be taking the price towards 154.30. If we round up 154, 155 will be the level for taking some sell opportunities on the dollar yen from there. And also congratulations if you made good profits last week. Right here, 1 2 3 4 5 price was right here, and I clearly said it's going up, and result is right here in front of you. This is the power of my strategy. Similarly, on the pound dollar, if we see, market took a very nice retracement level on a 618 Fibonacci, if you see, and a bit of false breakout, but a break in as well. Sometimes it do happen, so it's normal, you have to get used to it. Now we are on this impulsive wave, and there was on a daily time frame a very good range as well, and market is at that like support zone of the range. It is very closer right here, so I think the market is going further down. If this place gives you some pips, that's good enough. Otherwise this is going to drop towards 1.23626, from where I'm waiting to see a confirmation and then taking a good buying opportunity or buy trade. If this remain the range, I highly recommend focusing on bullish opportunities, and that will be a very wise and fantastic decision for all of you. So very fantastic one. It now depends on you. Remember everyone, I want to clear one thing. One message I receive most of the time, and I receive this message, and when you ask me, hey Aftab, where is pound US dollar going? If I tell you it is going up, if I tell you it is going down at the same time, a down from right here and up from right here, very simple. So if we are right here, can I say it is going to go down? Yes, I can say it. I can say it on the weekly time frame. If you are a long-term trader, I will say you can further look for some sell opportunities. Close your trades right here. Half positions right here, half right here. But if you are specifically dealing on the daily, just like me, I will recommend this. Okay, if we get a confirmation on Monday or Tuesday, we can make some good profits right here. And the right option I will be trading is, obviously I will be trading it from right here. If the market go back up to 1.27513, I am going to take a sell trade. If I miss, I miss. These are a lot of other pairs. This whole trading view and this MT4 and all of these brokers are full of these opportunities. But what you can do is you definitely have to understand the method a little bit. US oil, I have received good comments from all of you. This was one of the long term, then that hit, then we took some several other buying positions. But if you see, market is clearly following that zone, and it is like finally at my zone. When price was trading right here, this 67.50, I will in the recap video I will be discussing all of these. There was a very good zone right here, 67, and we have achieved it. Now from right here I said take a buy position towards 80. Where was that? Let me see. Towards 81, 82, you can say, a bit of a false breakdown. So it is going down now, and it is going down, and for the longer run I will be focusing on this level to become again a bullish trader. So I will become bullish from right here again, and bearish on each impulsive wave. Let's say if during the week if I get a correction towards this place of 82.05, I'm going to take a sell trade, and the entry will look something like this. I usually don't show you the entries, but the entry will look something like this, and if you see you can make a lot of profits, then that depends on you how you manage that particular trade. Just have a look at it. Isn't it a good strategy? But you have to wait, you have to work with a mentor, and if you are interested in these lower time frames, I have a strategy which will let you understand the same strategy. If you follow it on the lower time frames, you can find 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades on one instrument, on the M15, M5, M1, and on the H1 you can find one good and fantastic trade per day. So if you are interested in that, I highly recommend to learn my strategy, whether right here from the YouTube. If you want to do it quickly, then you can contact me on this WhatsApp number and I will be guiding you further. This is my WhatsApp number, and those of you who are in trouble, who have hedging trades stuck, contact me. I have different services and I will be offering you that, but the special one I offer is my mentorship, where I work with the client personally. So thank you so much everyone for being here with me. Make sure to give me your kind feedback. I will see you next week. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.